Peace for 100 Years? The Congress of Vienna. AP European History, topic 5.7. Napoleonic rule had a massive impact on Europe. After his defeat, European leaders met at the Congress of Vienna. Their goal was to fix Europe after the wars and stop future uprisings. The unspoken goals were to protect kings and national boundaries. Responses to Napoleonic rule. Restoration of monarchies. Key monarchies were restored. For example, the Bourbon dynasty was re-established in France with Louis XVIII, and in Spain with Ferdinand VII. This was part of the broader policy of legitimacy, aiming to restore traditional rulers. Redrawing of Europe's map. Specific examples include Prussia gained territories in the Rhineland and Saxony. Austria received control of northern Italy. The Netherlands were united with the Austrian Netherlands to form a stronger state against France. Creation of the German Confederation. This was a loose grouping of 39 German states designed to replace the Holy Roman Empire dissolved by Napoleon. It served as a buffer against French aggression. Austria and Prussia were the strongest. Concert of Europe. Established to maintain the new balance of power, it was an early form of international cooperation. Major powers like Britain, Austria, Prussia, and Russia agreed to meet periodically to resolve disputes. So what were the consequences? Short-term stability, long-term unrest. The immediate aftermath was a period of relative peace, known as the Congress system. However, the artificial boundaries and restored monarchies did not reflect the aspirations of the people, leading to future unrest. Rise of nationalism. The new map of Europe, often ignoring ethnic and cultural boundaries, fueled nationalist sentiments. Notable examples include the Greek War of Independence against Ottoman rule, influenced by the desire for a nation-state. Seeds of future conflicts. The arrangements made at Vienna couldn't permanently suppress national and liberal aspirations. This discontent partly led to the revolutions of 1848, a series of political upheavals throughout Europe. Industrial and economic shifts. The Napoleonic Wars and the subsequent restructuring influenced economic and industrial development in Europe, with countries like Britain leading in industrialization. In summary, while the Congress of Vienna aimed to stabilize Europe and to prevent future large-scale wars, its decisions also sparked undercurrents of nationalism and discontent that shaped European politics for decades to follow. Like and subscribe for all of that next.